Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. First and foremost, I just have to say it is so great to be back to filming. I had to take a couple of weeks off to get my daughter transitioned to college. We went through the 2-week hotel quarantine for her to start school. Let's just say it was a very interesting, once in a lifetime, hopefully, experience. But I did enjoy the one-on-one time with her and just being able to focus in on that milestone that we were accomplishing together. Now I'm ready to get back into getting my budget back on track because it went way off course over the last couple of weeks. Just planning for the future and being an empty nester and just focused on things that I need to do for my personal growth. We're going to start off by putting together my September budget calendar, and I'm going to be using the Happy Planner seasonal book. If you watch my prior videos, you know I use this book rather often, and I'm going to be using the fall stickers. So I have some left over from a prior spread and then a full sheet of other stickers. I'm going to primarily stick with the leaves and maybe a few of the acorns. I'll save the pumpkins for October or maybe November, depending on what my themes will be for those months. But I just want to jump into getting this budget calendar together so I can see what we have lined up for the month of September, and it's quite a bit. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing I like to do with my September budget is put down my date dots. So I need to fill this in for all of the days of the month. We're going to use these larger dot stickers. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but I can't seem to find my smaller ones, and I don't want to lose any more time with getting started. So let me pull out my tweezers, and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through putting down my dates. Now that I have my date dot stickers down, I'm going to use these boxes that I received as a sampler from Planner Kate, and I'm going to use these to fill in for the dates where I have bills due for the month. Okay, so now I've put down boxes for all of the expenses that I'm aware of for this month. And as you can see, there are quite a bit. I want to, actually before I do that, let me note my paydays. So I'll get out my payday stickers. I'm going to actually use my Mama Gloria payday stickers. They are here. Let's see, I know that I will get paid on the 4th. And then also on the 18th of this month. Okay. Okay, now that I have my paydays in, I'm going to fill in my bills that are due. Those are my bills for this month. Now that I've put in my bills, my paydays, I'm going to fill in my appointments. And I do have one on the 8th. Okay, so for right now, I think those are all of my expenses that I need to cover for September. And let me fill in that information. And last but not least, I actually want to add something else to my calendar for my nail appointment date. So I have one there, and then 3 weeks out, 1, 2, 3, be the 22nd. Okay. Nails, 125. Nails, 125. So these are all of my expenses for the month, at least that I'm aware of as of now. I'm going to start decorating my page. And as I mentioned, I'm going to use the fall pages. I have a lot here in terms of expenses, so I actually may just be able to use this one sheet here. Let's see. So I think I'm going to stop there. I like the fall theme. Okay, so that is better. And I think that is it in terms of decorating for my calendar. So I'm going to put a couple goals here at the bottom. And I won't put a dollar amount because I'm not exactly sure how much I'm going to be able to do that yet. And then also, those are my goals for this month in terms of prioritizing my expenses. So I think I am pretty good now in terms of completing my calendar. The only thing I need to do now is to go back and to color code to show where my expenses are being paid by each paycheck. So I'm going to use 3 of my markers, and I'll just pick 3 random colors here. Let me start by color coding what is due for each pay period. Oh, nope, actually, yikes, I messed up. So my paycheck on the 18th will actually be covered by Okay, so those are all of my other paychecks for the month. And as you can see, I've actually started adding more to my calendar because the Budget Mom recently did a Instagram story, and she advised that you really try to put every expense that you anticipate incurring throughout the month on your calendar. Everything in terms of beauty, incidentals, co-pays for medical expenses, all of that. So I'm really trying to expand my calendars each month so I can really have more accurate budgets each payday, which I think will be very helpful in the long run. I think this actually turned out really, really nice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Healed channel. Ciao!